Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to turn off active status on Instagram in 2025. So if you also want to turn off active status on Instagram in 2025, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So whenever you're using the Instagram application, you might not want people to know that you're active. In that case, you'll have to turn off the active status. In order to do it, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Instagram application. You can see over here Instagram application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be led to the home interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find several icons over here. Simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the profile interface. Over here, you'll be able to view your profile. Now what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the option for your account, how you use Instagram, who can see your content, etc. Scroll down. Under the section of how others can interact with you, you'll be able to find the option for messages and story replies. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here, how people can reach you, who can see your online, what you see in messages, end-to-end encryption. Under the section for who can see your online, you'll be able to find the option for show activity status. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Whenever you turn on the activity status, it allows the accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. If it is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. If you want to turn it off, simply toggle this button that you can see right over here. Now the activity status will be turned off. Simply go back. Now nobody will be able to see your activity status. Also, you'll not be able to see the activity status of others. So that is how you turn off active status on Instagram in 2025. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.